Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bonk. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that Bonk has formed another bullish bias pattern, and that is another down channel on a daily time frame chart. And this was my last video that I shared almost 1 day ago with you. Now, if you take a look at the live chart, then you can see that still on this daily time frame, by the way, it is still moving at the resistance of this channel. By the way, since after 17th of November 2024, it is moving inside this channel. We had a bounce here, rejection, bounce, rejection, bounce, rejection. And here we had two more touch points, and then we had another very nice bounce. And now for the past 3 or 4 days, the price and is again trying to break out the resistance of this channel. And by the way, here you can see that despite we are forming lower lows and lower highs, but this down channel is considered as a bullish bias. Therefore, there are more chances for the breakout rather than breaking down the support. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this very, very massive breakout from this big and long term symmetrical triangle as well. You can see that since after the month of January 2024, the price and was moving inside this triangle on the 7 day time frame chart. You can see that we have so many touch points here. Then we had a nice bounce. We got rejected, bounce, rejected, rejected, and then we had another bounce here, rejection, bounce, and finally the price line broke out the resistance of this triangle. And now it is stuck inside this channel. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. Because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of November 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup of one chain, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup, I shared on 14th of November 2024. And here you can also want the complete trade signal as well. Like this was the buying zone and sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Bonk. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several weeks, since after 17th of November 2024, the price line is moving inside this down channel. And now recently, it has once again reached the resistance. And in fact, for the past 3 or 4 days, it is trying to break out the resistance of this channel. For example, if this time we will have another rejection, then it can drop straight down here at the support of the channel. And it is also possible that while moving inside this channel, it may also test this long-term uptrend line support. That is, in fact, the support of a previous very long-term symmetrical triangle. Now we are switched to the weekly time frame chart, and this is the symmetrical triangle that we have already broken out. And after the breakout, we had a nice pump, but the price again got stuck inside this channel. And for a while, we also broke out this long-term resistance zone as well. That starts from 40 and goes to $0.000044. It has been previously working as a resistance on here, resistance on here, resistance here. And after the breakout, you can see that for the past several days, it was working as support. And now after the breakdown, it is again flipped into a resistance. But when the price and will be able to break out this channel, then it can again break out this resistance zone because the technical target for the breakout from this channel is here at the top of the channel. That is at $0.000639. Now, if you take a look at the technical target for the breakout from this massive and huge symmetrical triangle, then technical target for the breakout from this triangle, as per this measurement, can be here. That is approximately at $0.0001. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. Because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.